Hey everyone, Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com here. I'm going to show you how to use your MUT Master Collectibles in Madden 19. You're going to want to go to Ultimate Team, and you want to go to your Team tab, and then go into your Item Binder. From there, you need to find Ryan Shazier. And the easiest way to do that is to go over here on the left, go to Type, go down, and choose Middle Linebacker, because you'll find him in the linebacker area. He's over here to the right, so I'm going to select him with A on the Xbox. And once I'm in there, I'm going to choose Upgrade. And this is where you can use your MUT Master Collectibles. And I've already used one of mine. And so if you have another, you can go ahead and choose the Upgrade option. You have to go down the list, so you can't jump ahead and choose the one you want if you want to skip a chemistry. But basically, you need this MUT Master token. Once you have that, you can upgrade Shazier all the way to 95 overall. And you're going to get a really stellar card. It's going to take you a while. And the easiest way to check your progress and figure out how you're doing is to go over to the Live tab on the main part of Ultimate Team, and this is where you can check your objectives. So under Objectives and MUT level, you can go over using RB and LB or R1 and L1, and once you get over to the MUT Master and MUT Master stats, you can see your progress as you go through. So there might be some you need to go back and play. Like in this instance, I need to go win 20 games with an under 70 overall. So I'm going to have to create a lesser team. And as you play these, you're going to get MUT Master Collectibles, and you're also going to get lots of coins. So this is a great way to play Madden 19 MUT without spending your money on points and cash that you're going to need to use in the game. You can check out more over at GottaBeMobile.com. There's a link down in the description below. Thanks for checking out this Madden how-to. You can check out more at GottaBeMobile.com.